Introduction to Sudowrite for YouTube Scripting.
Sudowrite has become a valuable tool for content creators who want to produce high-quality YouTube video scripts efficiently. In this tutorial, you'll learn how Sudowrite can help you batch create scripts, saving you time and streamlining your workflow. Whether you make educational videos, reviews, or storytelling content, Sudowrite can help you get organized and productive.
Setting up Sudowrite for script projects.
To get started, sign up for a Sudowrite account and log into the web platform. Create a new project and select a template or start with a blank document. Organize your workspace by naming your project clearly, making it easier to manage multiple scripts. Make sure to define your video topics and basic outlines for each before you begin batch generation.
Generating multiple script drafts.
Sudowrite lets you input prompts or outlines for each video topic. Enter your key points and let the tool generate draft scripts based on your guidance. You can create several drafts in one session by repeating the process for each batch. This approach saves hours compared to writing each script manually and helps maintain consistency in your content.
Refining and customizing your scripts.
After generating drafts, review each script to ensure accuracy and match your preferred style. Sudowrite offers editing features, enabling you to fine-tune language, adjust tone, and expand on sections. Customize call to actions or audience interactions to fit your channel's personality. Ensure facts are accurate and add personal insights as needed to make each script unique.
Exporting and organizing finished scripts.
Once satisfied, export your completed scripts. Sudowrite allows easy copying or downloading of your texts. Organize scripts in folders for different series or types of videos. Label each file clearly by video title or topic. This workflow helps you quickly locate and upload scripts to your video editing or production platform, making production more efficient.
Maximizing efficiency with Sudowrite.
Batch creating scripts with Sudowrite streamlines the content creation process for busy YouTubers. By preparing prompts ahead of time, using built-in editing tools, and organizing exports, you can publish videos more consistently and focus on creative growth. Experiment with different prompts and templates to further speed up production and keep your channel thriving.